Cryptocurrencies are a very volatile market, but with this volatility comes opportunity. However, many traders fail to take advantage of movements because they are just starting out. One way you can always have an edge in the market is to use a crypto trading bot. These bots can execute orders quickly and can apply your trading strategy at a much faster pace. Since the cryptocurrency market is available 24/7, a bot will allow you to gain profits no matter what time of day. The market moves in unusual patterns, and you can make profits even while you sleep. A crypto trading bot becomes your representative, handling your trades for you. Crypto trading bots are automated tools that work on an algorithm, which are a set of rules that you or a developer set for them. A crypto trading bot allows you to focus on other things while still enjoying the cryptocurrency market when you can. If you're interested in a crypto trading bot, don't hesitate to visit mattbot.com. Mattbot AI is one of the most reliable trading bots you can have at your disposal. You can let it work while you take in more information about crypto and learn at your own pace. Not only that, there's an entire community behind Mattbot and free resources available so you can learn at your own pace. Then, you can use this knowledge to open yourself to opportunities or adjust your trading style as necessary. Let Mattbot AI be your anchor, and later, your support when you begin trading. Join now and get 100% free training and free access to the community for life.